Hey, what's going on, guys? Booster Whips here. Today we're going to be showcasing the two new spoilers for the Genesis G70 22 and up. These are offered in our website at boosterwhips.com under the Genesis G70 category. So many of you asked to go ahead and do a video or to show on the vehicle. So I have both of them here. So this one here is the V2. This is the one that I plan to go on my vehicle. I just think it's a little bit more sleek design versus the V1, which I'll display soon. So this is how it fits and how it looks from a back view. I'm gonna go ahead and get different viewing angles. I'm not gonna do the install in this video. I just want to showcase both of them so you guys can check it out and decide which one you want to buy. Alright, coming from a side angle view, this is how the V1 sits. They're both duckbill in my opinion. I have it here positioned, as you guys can see there's a piece of tape on there, so this is just for positioning. I want to show you guys the fitment and different angles. So this is not placed on here. Again, this is not an installation video but more of a showcasing video. So this is the V1 from a side angle view. I'm gonna do a top view and then I'll do some close-ups of the fitment and we'll move on to V1. This is top view, or from the front view of the vehicle, on how it kicks up very nicely. So again, this is the V2 and you can see how it just really lays flat on the trunk. So it's a perfect fitment, properly molded to the OEM trunk. There are no gaps in this state, and we haven't added the 3M. So once we put the 3M, definitely if there is anything that's a little bit raised, once you press that on, it's gonna fit just perfect. So that's from that angle view. Here are some close-ups. All right, here coming to the V1. So this is the back view of the V1 spoiler in carbon fiber. Again, these will be available on our website at boosterwhips.com under the Genesis G70 category. 2 weeks in your hands, max 3. We're bringing down the shipping times and doing expedited shipping to bring it down at least 1 more week. So you should be having it in your hands anywhere from a 2 weeks time frame. So this is the back view. Let's go ahead and do side views. So you can see it's the same side profile as the V2. The biggest difference is towards the center area. The V2 sits a little bit much longer and upper to the trunk, but overall it's still the same type of profile from a duckbill high kick type of style. So this is the side view. We're gonna go ahead and do a top view, and then we'll do some close-ups. Coming from a top view, this is on how it looks. So you guys can see the indentation on the center gives it that sporty type of look. It reminds me a little bit of the Mustang type of spoilers that are there, or the Mopars. Reason why I like the V2 much better, since it's just sleek, straight line, much cleaner, right? So but again, they're both popular, so it's really depending on personal preference, and that's how that sits. So let's go ahead and do some close-ups. Alright guys, let me know your thoughts between the two and which one would you select. If you guys have any questions, comments, go ahead and drop them below. Thanks for watching. Again, available at boosterwhips.com under the Genesis G70 category. V1 and V2 spoiler. Thanks for watching guys. Until next time, Booster Whips, I'm out. Have a very pleasant day and God bless.